guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another video, a part of my entrepreneur series. Thank you so much if you've been watching the series up till now. I've been trying my best to put out videos and show you guys my journey on entrepreneurship. I do know this is another unboxing video. I believe it's my third. But I really do want to show you guys what it's like to get inventory and be opening it for the first time. I think one of my next videos, I'm going to show how I make my lip gloss or show how I make one of my products so you guys can see what exactly goes on in the product making process. But before we get into anything, make sure you subscribe to this channel by going down below, clicking the red button. Also, at the end of this video, make sure you comment and like, especially if you found this video informative or you liked it. Definitely give it a big thumbs up. So today I got a couple different packages for inventory for my business. If you didn't know, I do have my own business called Heru Cosmetics. It is a vegan and organic cosmetics line. It started out with just lip gloss, and now I have lip gloss, lip scrubs, body oils, body frosting, which is like whipped shea butter. So I've been expanding a little bit in my products. I've been getting a lot more inventory day to day. And if you'd like to support my business or check it out, you can go to www.herucosmetics.com. Also on Instagram, the account is @Heru Cosmetics. And when you sign up on our email list, you'll get 15% off on your first purchase. I always have promos going on. I do have a few brand ambassadors that have their own promos, and you can use those as well. So definitely check it out. Follow us. That's how you will know all the promos, all the sales, all the stuff that's happening, and you could be a part of our little Heru family. Without keeping you guys waiting, I'm gonna open this inventory and show you guys. So in my previous video, I showed you guys some new charms and talked about how I will be putting up bangles on my site. So guess what I got today? Some more charms, and I'm so excited to show you guys some of them. And this little cute pink. I love when vendors have like cute packaging also. It feels so special. Is that how you guys feel when you open my packages? Look how cute. She wrapped all the charms in here. So we got some really cute charms. The first one I'm going to show you guys is this. It is a black little dress. And I got the dress in a little bit of other colors. We got some perfumes. Got 4-leaf clovers right here. And my favorite are the ballet shoes. I haven't seen anyone with these, but these are so cute. I could not pass them up, and I thought they're perfect ballerinas when I come to the store and legit buy this. So this is the ballerina ones. And there's a bunch more charms, but I don't want to spoil the surprise. You'll see it on the Instagram and you'll see it on the website, so definitely stay tuned and check them out regularly so that you can get the charm bracelet that you want. I'm still trying to decide if I want to make custom charm bracelet bangles or if I want to make have them be random, so you buy the bangle and it's like a you get what you get situation. But I feel like that's just a little bit kind of harsh. I kind of want some more customization and you guys to be able to pick what you want, and so you get what you want. The next package I have is from another vendor. It is my containers for my lip scrub, so I'm going to show you guys and open it. Ooh, they have like a, just pops open. So right here are my lip scrub containers. I have been out of lip scrub containers for a while now, which is why I haven't really restocked fully my lip scrubs and haven't really expanded on them yet. But now I think I got about 30 or yeah, a little bit over 30 new containers, so I can restock them and branch out and add more flavors, which will lead right into the next inventory that I got today, and I'm going to show you guys that as well. Also, I'm switching my lip scrub containers. They originally have a blue lid. These now have a white lid. My body frostings and like other products that I have a white lid, and I just felt it was very different to have a blue lid for lip scrubs and a white lid. I wanted to keep it simple and the same and keep that clean look. Blue is still part of my company colors, but I wanted to just keep it clean, so I got the white lid instead. And then this next, I can already smell it. This next package is from Get Suckered. A lot of different lip gloss businesses and cosmetic businesses use this they use this company to supply their scents and flavors. I found them a couple months ago and I've been in love. Their whole like brand is so cute and fun. I get most of my scents from Get Suckered, but I do get them from another vendor as well. But I'm just gonna show you guys some of the scents I got and let you guys know on some incoming products that might be coming up soon. Say I'm thinking of having like a special YouTube promo, like putting a promo code in the description box just for my people who watch my YouTube videos. I'll be dropping like behind the scenes upcoming products, so you know. All right. Ooh, these two they put together. I can smell it already. Ooh, one of the scents I got is banana cream. And this is one of the big containers, as you can see. It's kind of big. It's kind of big. But I am thinking of doing some kind of banana lip balm, banana lip gloss, and there's a surprise with the banana lip gloss, which we'll see this summer. It's banana cream, so it's not like banana pungent, but it's gonna have a sweet banana smell, and I'm excited to do that. This is Sangria. I'm excited to use this one too. I have a new upcoming collection that I'll be releasing soon that this will play a big part in, but let me show you guys what. Also got this one. This is called Brownie Mix. I am going to be putting out another, well, let me just say, I'm going to be putting out a nude collection soon, so I wanted to get different sweet treat smells, and I thought brownie would be a cute one to have for some of them. So this is going to be the scent I'm going to use for that, and this is what it looks like. So I'm excited to work with some of these new scents that I got, and you'll be seeing them in the upcoming product. So definitely follow at Heru Cosmetics on Instagram so you can see some of these upcoming products and be able to pick the ones you want, and you will be one of the first to know what's coming. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really quick. I just wanted to show some of my inventory that I got from my products and let you guys in on a few new upcoming things that I'm working on. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was nice to watch. Don't forget to subscribe, red button down below. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and comment below. You know I always love to read the comments. You can also DM me as well. I'll answer anything you guys write me in there too. And also, speaking of DMs, don't forget to follow me on the social medias. Before you get off, make sure you go down and in the links below, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm always on there, always looking. I'm always on there. You guys can come talk to me, anything. So I hope you guys have a good one. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.